Hello, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be doing some of ARK Survival Evolved. I think that's what it's called. Sounds really fun, so I'm just gonna try it for the first time. Okay, I don't want to play multiplayer. Let's do casual. Let's just do, like, the easiest thing, because I'm the boss of the... I didn't even get to look. Okay. We do... Okay, just customizing my avatar. There's not very good customization, it feels like. Okay. Let's just do the full hair length. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, that looks good to me. I don't really care much. Okay. What's this? What do we do here? Wait. Oh, these are spawn points. Okay. What is spawn? Oh, it tells you what the difficulty. Okay, sick. Let's go here. Okay, waking up. This is what's that? Oh, what are those glowy things? Oh, the controls are nice. Oh, so you swipe on the left to jump. That's neat. You know what? Jellyfish can kill you in real life, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, you can pick up. Oh, cool. So I can just grab a ton of stuff. I guess that'll help me. Just get close to a tree or some driftwood and tap the right side of the screen to punch up. Wait, he's doing damage to me though. Oh crap. Stand still. Run! What is that thing? I'm not into dinosaurs, so I wouldn't know, but... Oh. I had a feeling it would have killed me. Glad I made. So yeah, now what? Oh, it says we need more wood. Okay. Let's just, you know what? Let's just move a bit away from all those creepy dinosaurs. I have a feeling they would have killed me. I'm just gonna die. What the hell? Okay, I still got collected enough. Okay. Wait, what does it want me to? Oh, stone pick. Okay. And I have all the stuff because I collected a few stones. Oh, sweet, it's crafted, see? Now we just go into our inventory. Oh. Nice. Wait, how do we access it? Yeah, I did equip it. Oh, wait, what? Wait. Hold on, wait. Oh. Oh, okay. We have this little, like, slidey hotbar. Oh, that's nice. You can just flip it out. Oh, nice. We not evolved, but leveled up. Okay. I'd say health, because I might eventually someday die by punching trees. Let's just try this. Oh! Nice. Oh! Whoa. Oh, nice. Oh, we can... Oh, okay, so we need to collect lots of berries from bushes. What the heck? Okay, yeah, and then we just gather a few more. We need lots. Whoa, those are some big dinosaurs. Let's not go over there. Because this is survival, right? So, I have a feeling that you can't, like, tame. I mean, no, I know you can tame them because of, like, the description, but I feel like all of them are harmful until you tame them. So let's just wait. Hold on. Okay, crafting. Oh, we can craft a sweet little thingy. I want that, a little map. Wait, we have a map. Oh, cool. Oh, sweet. Oh, dang it. Yeah, we can just look around like this, run with it, and then just... Okay, so that's north. Sweet. I know that is north. This is north. Oh, nice. Okay. Then to know, but let's switch back to our pickaxe because we don't really need that thing. Okay, now you often get hungry. So we just double tap on these. And they're here. Then we, oh yeah. Munch! Okay. I wasted them all. Okay, now we just need to drink some water. You just literally... I like swimming, so let's apply some more oxygen levels. Except, I'm not swimming this one in this game. Oh, it's pretty cool. Graphics get pretty bad. Oh crap! He says this water is very dangerous water, so I'm definitely not going over to those jellyfish. Oh! Yep, that is stranger danger, and we're not doing it. Okay. Okay, anagrams. Anagrams panel. Oh, we can do a campfire, but I mean, I don't think we have to do what it says, so let's just not, because I don't want to get a campfire, if you get what I mean. I want to get a thingy. Open to crafting, okay. So yes, we have enough. We can craft. Sorry. We can craft this nice little club, okay. Sick. Actually, no. I think we're getting a bit too ahead of ourselves trying to kill that huge monster. Okay. I don't want to get a campfire, people. I don't think it'll be of much use. Actually, fine. I just will. Except, what resources do you have to have? Well, I have to waste my points, too. Okay, we have all of the stuff but stone and wood. So let's collect a few, like, pebbles. Actually, I think we could use something else to... than our hands. I'll just use my pick to kill the trees. It's hard to get wood, I feel like, because if you saw, they gave me like 100 thatches with like 0 wood. Okay, yeah, we can craft one. Okay, now it goes into my inventory. We just use this. Oh wait, no, that was wrong. We did something wrong. Okay, yeah, place. Sweet, so wherever we want to place this, we can. Let's do right there. You know, how am I supposed to light this? I don't get it. Huh? Oh. Oh, nice. So we can just... Hey! Sorry, that took a second. Not really, but like... It does. It really just feels great. Okay, now we can level up again. Let's just keep leveling up our health points. Because I think we're good on everything but health. It went out, but whatever. Your map has been marked with an area to search for dodos. Use your hotbar to show the map. I don't get it. Wait. Okay, a dodo in the wild, an area. I don't see it. There is no green dot. And I don't get what does search mean? I don't see a green dot, because if that's supposed to be a green dot, that does not look green. I don't get it. Okay, Dodo in the wild. An area with dodos marked with green. Dot on your map or follow indicator in the top left of your screen. I see the top left. And then I push search. And nothing happens. I honestly I don't. Our Dodo. Here? Oh, dang it. Please don't. What the heck is that? Oh, no. We're doing something wrong. We need to get out of here. Oh, crap. Nope, we're low. We are low. New start. We still have most of our tools. I think we have our tools, just not like our stones and stuff. So that just went badly because I had the wrong thing equipped. My map was just blocking up my whole, yeah. You know, yeah, no. What's that? Oh, cool. There's my death location. I don't get it. Wait, so I'm just supposed to... Is that what I wanted me to do? I don't... Oh, wait. Haha. Die! Wait, hold on. I want to tame this thing. I want to tame it. How do I tame it? It said it means food. Put food in inventory. Oh, this is its inventory. Transfer all? Oh crap! It's still unconscious, but we need a bit more food. Come on. We can do this. Oh crap. It says dangerous area. But our Dodo! No, you're gonna die. Wait, no, you're not gonna die, but you're gonna be conscious, and we don't want you conscious. This is difficult. I don't... Oh yeah, like that, and then... Transfer all. Oh crap. Crap, no! I hate you. Ah! Hey! Hey! It was all worth it. We got this little buddy. We had to bonk him on the head with our club, but now he's ours. Yay! And we can put you down like that. And you're a little Dodo. Sweet! Oh no, dangerous area. Run! Run like the bullseye. And another one. Oh! No! Sorry, Dodo, you're gonna have to go. We need to run. Crap. You're getting beat up from behind. Stay back! And stay back! Oh! No! That's my Dodo! Oh! Too bad. I was doing well. I tamed a Dodo. That was fun. We had a nice little friend for a while, and then the mean raptor just was mean. We are equipping this at all times. Ugh, I hate this biome. Why did I spawn here? Oh no. Those definitely look bad. I just realized. What are those? Get away. Run away. Oh, I can get fibers from these. This game is really... What is this? What is it? Oh no, there's like 6 of them. Stay back, and stay back, and stay back. That's right, that's right. Get away! Not cool. Oh, what the heck? Okay. Okay, so I think we get the basics of the game. How do we craft these? Lots of fibers. Lots of fibers, yeah. Oh, what the heck? We just need tons of fibers. And then we will craft. And it's not the stone time! Ah! Oh gosh! What is happening? Okay. Oh, okay. What the heck? No. Oh, this tree. No, I want to gather stuff. Okay. Oh, that was close. I feel like that was about to stomp on us. Not friendly. Oh, what the heck? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh gosh, it's probably bad. That's bad, that's bad, that's bad. What? This game, people. Oh! Oh, I got knocked unconscious. I'm alive! Or am I dead? I'm alive! Okay. We're in a dangerous area. I've recently learned that we're always in a dangerous area. I'm not stopping. I'm not gonna stop running until it says peaceful area or something. Oh crap! Why? No! Oh, there's too many! Oh! Oh! Just be a good guy. I won't kill you. If you don't kill me. That's the way things work around here, right? Am I right? Oh! Oh! Finally! I finally get to craft these clothes in peace. Good, now I just need the pants and it'll give me more like health points. Oh, this game, it's stressful, dude. And wow, I'm high. What happens if you just kind of, oh, well. Why are there no bushes up here? I need to get a place with bushes. Geronimo! Oh, crap. I'm alive! Look at my health! Look at my health points. Oh, that's kind of sick. Oh, broken bones. Dang it. Dang it. Well, that was a horrible idea. I'd say. Carry what? What am I... Oh. Never mind. That was weird. Okay, we kind of need to probably eat all of these. Yeah, you'll recover, maybe, sometime. Yeah, okay, just eat everything we have, yeah. It's all fine. Stop groaning, it's creepy. Okay, I'm just crafting. Okay, finally. Now I just bop. Yay! Okay, now we need more anagrams. So wait. Oh, nice. We can get the hat and everything. Let's just get those things. So, okay, so the hat. Yes, we have the hat. Yes. Crafting. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? Why is it lagging? Well, that's weird. Oh, it's like trying to save stuff. Crap. This is weird. It's trying to save too much data, I guess, or something. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, now we just need to craft the deal. Oh, dang it, we need hide, too. Okay, good, it's not lagging. Hey, and we're healing from that enormous fall. Oh, we were all the way, like, up there. Oh, gosh, I'm so glad I'm alive. Oh, nice, I have a free gift. Just to skin the appearance of a helmet or hat. Provides a scary look. I don't really get it. How am I have a hat. Huh. Okay. Sheesh. Like, bro. There's just too many bad things. Oh, we just keep getting, like, shredded by all of these different, I would say mobs, but it's not Minecraft, so. How am I... Okay, I don't get what I'm supposed to use the T-Rex. I think I'm kind of lucky to be alive, honestly, in lots of ways. Because that fall was just kind of insane, and all the stuff in the whole thing has been insane. If you like this, and like how we're doing, and want to see more of us journeying through this world, making a home, starting to become the ultimate human. Maybe human. I mean, I got this weird thing on my arm, so I don't think I'm a human. But okay, yeah. If you want to see us becoming the ultimate in this game, then subscribe and like this video. Have a good day, and goodbye.